exciting. Look, this beautiful bird today, and I just got her, I rescued her, truly speaking. She came and she got stuck with the ship's accommodation and fall down. So she was very tired of having fish today, I believe. But the interesting part is we are now about hundreds of kilometers away from the Philippine coastline, and she fly all the way to have her food over here. Finally, she got tired and fall. So say goodbye to my, say hello to my subscriber. She's beautiful. She's belong to Huron family, I believe. And there were a few, but the misfortune one fall and got stuck. So hopefully she will be okay, and she will go and join with her family tomorrow morning. So goodbye from middle of the ocean. Now she's like depending upon me only. She already got faith on me. Goodbye.